हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अभी देख लेते हैं दैट इज द टाइप्स ऑफ लिंक्ड लिस्ट. नाउ लेट अस सी द टाइप्स ऑफ लिंक्ड लिस्ट सपोर्टेड इनसाइड द और वी हैव टू लर्न. Yes, first we have a singly linked list, then we have a doubly linked list, then we have a circular linked list, and then we have a circular singly linked list. Yes. uh, Now let us see the figure of the linked list. So singly linked list, we have a figure like that. We have a head node. Head node is connected to the other node, or we can say first node. Then first node connected with the second node. Yes, इसके inside this we have a data and next node. Yes, so we have a D and N. Yes, so data and next node. N indicates the next node, so N connected to the next node, then again N is connected to the next node, like this. Yes, now doubly linked list. Let us see the doubly linked list concept. We have a head node, and head node we have a next and previous, both link we have to use. So it is a doubly, so double chain are used, or we can say double link are used. So first head node is connected to the next node, and next node connected with the head node. Yes, so you can see that here we have a N pointer to the node this, and this particular P point to the previous node. Yes, again N connected to the next node, and P connected to the previous node. Yes, so that is the concept of the doubly linked list. We are going to learn in detail, but this one is just only the introduction of the doubly linked list. Third one is the circular linked list. Okay, inside the circular linked list, the list is same, but the we can say the last node, next node will be the head node. Yes, the last node of the linked list, next node will be the head node. So that is the circular singly linked list. Now how linked list is being created, let us see the example, or we can say this one is a singly linked list example. Yes, so first node or head node, here we have a address of the head node. Yes, then particular this what we can say here little bit one, or we can say that confusion here. So let us forget this particular figure. I will have to create the new figure, so let us ignore this particular figure. Simply what the figure are saying, that this particular head node store the address of the 1040 here. Yes, and node 1, yes, it have a data and address is 1042. Yes, it will store okay. Now let us understand this particular. Now I got this particular, or see, I will again explain this particular thing. Okay, head node store the address of the 1042. Yes, so here it is a 1042. On the 1042 we have a node 1. Yes, in this particular address we have a node 1, and it will store the data 1 and the address of the next node. Address of the next node means what? 1048, it is the address of the next node. So here is the 1048 and its data, it is a node 2, and it will store the, again this particular part is the address of the next node. These both are, we can say, linked. Yes, it will contain the address of the next node. Same way node 3 contain the address of the next node, and last node will contain the null. Means what? No further list is available. So that is the concept of the singly linked list. Yes, here the theory is given. Okay, to note, to understand the algorithm, for all the algorithms we have to remember these particular things. So inside the algorithm we write the next of new. Yes, whenever we add the new node, then we have to link the node. Yes, so linking the node, we have to use next pointer. So inside the algorithm, we use next of new is equivalent to next of new of arrow of next. Yes, so in the algorithm we write this, and in the program we write this. Yes, both are the same, but in the C language programming we have to write this, and in the algorithm we have to write this. Same way, this will indicate the PRV of next of new. Means what? New arrow next, and next arrow PRV. Yes, so that is the concept of this particular thing. Same way, data of new means what? New arrow data. Yes, in this we put this particular data at the beginning, and inside the bracket we put the new. But yes, so I hope that you people are understand this. Now structure for the singly linked list to represent the node in C programming. Now let us see the structure for the singly linked list. Yes, so singly linked list, this one is the programming structure. Yes, so first we define the node. So for the structure declaration we have to use the struct keyword, then node. Yes, node is the name of the structure, and inside the node we put the data, integer data, and struct node of node struct node star next, means what? Pointer of this particular node. Yes, it will store the address of the next node. Yes, and structure is over, and semicolon. Same way, this one is the syntax, we can say. And let us see the programmatically how we can define struct student, then integer roll number, character name, character class, and we created one pointer struct node star next. So this one is the pointer of the structure node. Yes, star next means what? Pointer of the structure node. For the doubly linked list, we use struct node integer data and struct node star next. This will store the address of the next node, and struct node star prev, this will store the address of the previous node. So I hope up to this you all people are understand what I learn, you trying to learn, you particular people. Yes, thank you so much.